Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to discuss a topic about handwriting. Handwriting is very important for a child and we are very much worried about our child's handwriting. For a good handwriting, two things are very much required. Practice. First one is practice. Practice, practice and practice. And next one is a good pencil. A good pencil is very much required for good handwriting. Sometimes the child knew everything, she can write everything, but the handwriting is not good and she or he will not get good marks for bad handwriting only. So, handwriting should be improved. I am searching for a good pencil for my daughter. Then, my elder brother gifted me this box. This is Dom's Fusion Extra Super Dark Pencils. 50 pencils in this bottle and with sharpener and eraser. These pencils are very good. Previously, we used many types of pencils, but they are not so dark and sometimes they break very easily. I have to sharpen the pencils again and again and it's very tiring and sometimes my hands even ached. Then I got this one. It's very good. You can see my child's copy. The writing is so dark. I am showing the other copies also. These are written almost 10 months ago, but still they are so dark. And this pencil is also good for olympiad. You can see it's easy to darken with this pencil. It's easy to this pencil do not break easily and these pencils do not break easily and these are very easy to sharpen also. This is very dark. You can buy this pencil or try this pencil for your child. 50 pencils cost 350 rupees. It's available with Amazon and I will give you the link in description. Okay, thank you.